Hello po. Good morning, everyone. I would like to say thank you so much for for all your support, all my subscribers, and especially to my members. I would like to tell everyone, all of you, especially to my members, please, how to say, please upload some videos to your channel so that I can watch those videos before I subscribe. Because I tell you, if I just subscribe you back without watching any video, there is possible that one day YouTube will delete your account because don't have video. It cannot say it's a legit account. So he will delete it. So please upload some videos, even just short, so that I can watch it. And then it will not be deleted. Those have videos I already watched them, but the comment section is off, so I cannot write a message there. So anyway, I hope I can watch a video when I check your account again. Thank you so much, guys.